Hello po mga manoy, mga manay. Mga tugang, ako po si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano vlogger, broadcaster, journalist from Albay. Ang latest ngayon sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte, si Robin Padilla, mga kababayan, nag-file na ng resolution seeking to dismiss the impeachment case mismo ni Sara Duterte, laban kay Sara Duterte. So ito yung balita just in. Senator Amy Marcos says Robin Padilla has filed a resolution seeking to dismiss the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. Habang yung minority senators sa pangunguna po ni Risa Ontiveros at Coco Pimentel, kanina nag-press con si Risa Ontiveros, they will move to convene the upper chamber as an impeachment court para masimulan na, mga kababayan, ang trial kay Sara Duterte. Kanina, sa interview kay Chis Escudero, wala pa man daw na resolution, pero ngayon, tungkol sa dismissal ng kaso, impeachment case. Pero may pinakalat ang opisina ni Bato, remember? Ngayon may nag-file na si Robin Padilla. Sabi, mga kababayan, ni Amy Marcos, isa sa mga Duterte senators. Ngayon, si Senator Loren Legarda, mga kababayan, nagsalita na rin. Sabi po ni Loren, amidst public confusion and varying opinions regarding the impeachment, it is incumbent upon the Senate to hold a caucus immediately and discuss it in deep plenary so that the statements and decisions are not made unilaterally. Anong nangyari ngayon? Sige ang papreskon lang. May time si Chis Escudero na magpapreskon ng magpapreskon, dumaldal ng siya lang, pero walang time na i-convene immediately ang Senado bilang impeachment court. Kaya magmamosyon na po itong si Risa Ontiveros, sabi niya kanina sa preskon. Ngayon, nagsalita na rin po si Archbishop Sok Villegas, pati yung Makati Business Club, mga kababayan, nagpalabas na rin ng statement. Ito yung pinalabas na statement, mga kababayan, ni Sok Villegas. Sabi niya, delaying Sara Duterte trial is a grave sin. So ito yung statement ng Archdiocese of Lingayen, Dagupan. It is wrong, it is a sin. Sabi sa kanyang pinalabas na pahayag, my dear people of God in the Church of Lingayen, Dagupan, I wish to contribute as a priest and shepherd to the public forum about the delayed impeachment process of the Vice President from our heritage of Catholic social doctrines. We have sufficient legal experts to guide us in understanding the laws governing the process. I cannot add more. Here I offer these guidelines from the perspective of truth in the pursuit of justice and in protection of the common good. Christ is the truth. Quoting John 14:6, the Lord is the God of justice. His will is our fullness of life. To delay the trial or even to abort it is to suppress the truth. It is a sin. The opponent, the devil, is rightly called Prince of Lies. Madaling sabi, ang sinasabi, mga kababayan, ni Archbishop Sok Villegas, patama niya dito sa mga senador na gusto po na pagtakpan ang katotohanan. Si Robin Padilla po nag-file na ng resolution to dismiss the impeachment case. Madaling sabi, kung susundan natin yung sinasabi ni Archbishop Sok Villegas, si Robin Padilla is guided by the devil. Yan ang in effect, ganon ang ibig sabihin dito sa sinasabi ni Archbishop Villegas. Kasi sabi niya, to delay the trial or even to abort it is to suppress the truth. It is a sin. The opponent, the devil, is rightly called Prince of Lies. It is a sin to suppress or conceal the truth. The nation has a right to the truth that can only be established by law and evidence. To deprive the people of the truth is a form of robbery. It is keeping something not yours. It is a sin. When motivated by selfish ambition and the prioritization of personal desires, gratification in comfort, the delay of the process pursuing the truth is a sin. It is marks of negligence and laziness. not to pursue the truth when you have the capacity to know it, forthwith is a grave sin of omission. It is morally unacceptable. To abort the trial even before its delayed commencement is deplorable. It is a sin against justice. The trial by the Senate is a positive command of the Philippine Constitution. It is a demand of justice. It must be commenced and it must continue to a just verdict. It is wrong to delay or abort it according to no less than the framers of the Constitution itself. I add it is sinfully wrong. It offends truth in justice. Procrastination is a form of laziness which leads to the neglect of responsibilities, tasks, or opportunities which can be interpreted as a lack of diligence or commitment. The nation deserves better than such officials. As we celebrate our Independence Day a few days from now, may we always remember that only in God can we be truly free. May the Lord set us free from our own devils of lies, injustice, mediocrity, and selfishness. From the Cathedral of St. John the Evangelist, Dagupan City, June 9, 2025. Feast of Mary, Mother of the Church. Signed, Socrates Villegas, Archbishop, Lingayen, Dagupan. So malinaw po, pati yung ating simbahan, may mga obispo na po na nauna na nagpalabas ng statement. Ngayon mga kababayan, ang influential Archbishop ng Lingayen, Dagupan, Archbishop Villegas, di na po nakatiis. Sumama na sa mga nananawagan, ituloy ang impeachment trial. Ngayon, sabi ko sa inyo, maging yung powerful, influential Makati Business Club na dati hindi na po nagsasalita. Active sila nung panahon ni Cory Aquino. Ngayon mga kababayan, nagsalita na rin. Ayan po, Makati Business Club urges Senate to proceed with BP Duterte's impeachment trial. In a statement, the MBC said it viewed impeachment as a governance issue in test of public accountability and the rule of law. If we do not follow the rule of law, how can we expect to attract foreign and even local investors to bring in long-term investments, which would lead to the creation of jobs? MBC added that the impeachment trial provides Duterte with a forum to determine if the charges against her have basis. The senators individually and the Senate as an institution will betray public trust and not provide the Vice President with a forum to refute charges if they do not proceed with the impeachment trial. So palakas ng palakas mga kababayan. At pag inabort nila yung impeachment trial, at kung ituloy nila yung impeachment trial pero gusto nilang i-railroad po, kasi ang proposal ni Tol Tolentino, 19 days tapusin daw. Talaga pong aalsa ang ating mga mamamayang Pilipino. At malamang sa malamang, baka i-abolish na po ang Senado. So ito po mga kababayan, tingnan natin kung magmumosyon na. Nag-session na po sila. 19th Congress, 3rd regular session. Yan po, humihikab pa si Jesus Escudero habang nagpipreside. Humihikab. Tingnan natin kung agad-agad magmomosyon si Risa Ontiveros tulad ng sinabi niya kanina sa press con. Yan po mga kababayan. Sa labas, ito naman po sa labas. Yung grupo nagrarally sa labas para i-pressure po ang Senado. Ito si Robin Padilla, sabi nag-file na ng resolusyon para i-dismiss ang impeachment case laban kay Sara Duterte.
The Senate President. With 3 senators present, Chair declares the presence of a quorum, rather. Majority Floor Leader.
Si Tol Tolentino na gustong gawing 19 days lang ang trial. Ilulutong Macau ang impeachment trial. Ayan si Joel Villanueva ang salarin mga kababayan ng motion noong February 5 para i-adjourn. Inapprove naman ni Jesus Escudero.
We dispense with the reading of the journal of the 51st session Monday, June 2, and consider the same as approve, Mr. President, subject to the
Ayan, nag-file na yan. Mga panalig ni Sara. Ito si Robin Padilla, sabi dito, Senator Robin Padilla confirms she also has a resolution seeking to dismiss the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte but has not filed it yet. Mamaya daw, sabi niya sa interview ng mainstream media. Mamaya. Nagre-ready na si Ontiveros.
President,
Si Risa.
sa Majority Leader, I just wish to clarify that vote on the PhilAttom bill was recorded as a no. Because recorded as a no, Mr.
So hindi pa yung ang topic nila, hindi pa yung motion na sinasabi ni Risa. Pero bantayan natin, baka biglang ipasok niya.
So recorded, and we shall do the corresponding correction, Your Honor, based on your manifestation.
Thank you, Mr.